There comes a moment when you realize you've been living on autopilot, waking up tired, scrolling, rushing, repeating, existing, but not living. That moment isn't failure. It's your mind whispering, it's time to restart. Not next week, not when life feels easier, now. This is your reset protocol, a system to clear your mind, rebuild your focus, and become the person you were meant to be. Before you rebuild your life, you must first create space to think. Most people fill every second with noise, notifications, messages, distractions, and then wonder why their thoughts feel stuck. Here's how to reset that. Schedule silence. Block time with no phone, no talking, no screens. Your brain needs quiet to connect the dots. Change your environment. Walk outside. Breathe. Let stillness reset your creativity and capture sparks. Ideas don't knock twice, so write them down. Protect this time. Treat it like an appointment with your future self. Because great ideas rarely come from chaos. They're born in silence. Next, it's time to rebuild your foundation. You. Take a shower, get fresh, brush your teeth. Put on clean clothes, wear your favorite scent. This isn't vanity, it's identity. When you take care of yourself, you tell your mind, I matter. I'm worth the effort. Over time, those small rituals rewire your self-image. Because self-respect begins with the basics. And even if the world ends tomorrow, at least you'll smell good doing it. Self-care isn't selfish. It's the signal that you're ready for growth. And growth doesn't happen alone. The fastest way to level up your life is proximity. Seek mentors. Learn from people who've already done what you want to do. You don't have to pay them. Just listen better. Never be the smartest in the room. If you are, find a bigger room. Build diverse circles. Different minds sharpen yours. And choose intentionally. Your circle is a mirror. Look closely, because your environment either pulls you forward or holds you back. So choose growth every time. Your body powers your brain. When it slows down, your thoughts do too. So move every day. Walk, stretch, lift. It doesn't matter how, only that you do. You don't move to look better. You move to think better. Movement creates energy. Energy creates clarity. And clarity creates momentum. Ideas are easy. Action, that's rare. Knowledge means nothing until you use it. So start small. Do one thing today that matters. Repeat it tomorrow and the day after. Repetition beats motivation. And yes, you'll fail. Good. That means you're learning. Mistakes are data. Failure is feedback. Don't chase perfect. Chase progress. Because done badly today still beats done never. Your comfort zone feels safe, but nothing grows there. So every day, do one small thing that scares you. Wake up earlier. Speak your truth. Try something new. Every time you face discomfort, you teach your brain that fear isn't danger, it's growth. Transformation starts exactly where comfort ends. Discomfort is your gym. Train there daily. Purpose is the compass that keeps your life on course. Without it, you'll chase noise that feels like direction. Money, fame, validation, they fade fast. But purpose anchors you. Define what actually matters. What impact do you want to leave behind? Align your habits with that vision. When your actions serve your values, you stop fighting yourself. Use money as a tool, not a trophy. Let it power your purpose, not define your worth. Build a legacy, not just a lifestyle. Because purpose is what remains when everything else fades. Live with purpose, and you'll never need motivation again. Stop waiting for life to change. Winners don't wait, they design. Write it down. What does your best self look like? What do they do each morning? What habits keep them grounded? Then start acting like that person today. Because you don't become your best self after success. You become them to reach success. So, clean your space, silence the noise, move your body, act with purpose. Don't wait for the right time. Create it. Start small. Stay consistent. Restart. Because here at No More Later, we don't wait for change. We create it.